Namaste. Weekly tasks. As you consistently complete your daily tasks, it is time to focus on the weekly tasks to ensure smooth financial operations. Here is a simplified guide to the weekly tasks you should perform. Update Tally. Though you are updating Tally on a day-to-day basis, make sure that all accounting transactions are accurately recorded and kept up to date in Tally. Also ensure that you have captured data from the point of sale system, Swiggy and Zomato. Set up a weekly meeting with the MIS team of Abhilash and reconcile sales data of company-operated stores, franchisee-operated stores and cloud kitchens. Ensure that you have thoroughly checked the outstanding liabilities due on account of statutory payments like GST, TDS, PF, ASI and other such dues. Bank reconciliation. Review your bank statements and reconcile them with your books of accounts. Identify and resolve any discrepancies. Accounts receivable. Coordinate with colleagues to track receipts from franchisees and others. Review outstanding invoices for collection and follow up internally as needed. Weekly financial reporting. Prepare a weekly financial report, including income statements and cash flow statements. Budget versus actual analysis. Compare your actual performance with the budgeted targets and identify any discrepancies. Prepare next week's budget. Collaborate with Biraj, Abhilash, and Sandeep to gather inputs on expected receipts and payments for the upcoming week's budget. Adhere to the budget. Stick to the budget and avoid deviations unless there are exceptional circumstances. Weekly payment. Make all payments once a week without fail. Ensure that you have always kept an adequate balance in the bank to manage expenses for at least 2 weeks, though 8 to 12 weeks should be the ideal. Streamline this process to save time and ensure adequate funds are available for scheduled payments. Fulfill commitments and promptly notify management and relevant parties of any liquidity issues or potential delays. By following these guidelines, you'll effectively manage your weekly tasks. Good luck and happy accounting.